It's so perfectly quiet in here.
This diagram shows the process in action. That rhythmic contracting motion is called peristalsis, a fancy science word for squeeze waves. Peristalsis is how your body physically pushes solid food, liquid droplets, and even swallowed air bubbles forward so they can be broken down. Right now, because this part of the tube is full of food and liquid, those items act like a muffler. They soak up the sound so the squeezing stays quiet. Your tummy is constantly doing this work to move your meals along, meaning these waves are happening even when you can't hear them. Let's move to a section of the tummy that is completely empty. Without any food or liquid inside, this part of the tube is filled mostly with empty space and a few trapped air bubbles. Another peristalsis wave just rolled through this empty section, but this time it's much louder. This side-by-side comparison shows why. On the left, the food absorbs the noise, but on the right, the empty space and air bubbles allow the sound waves to bounce violently off the walls and echo. Your brain actually manages these squeeze waves, and it likes to plan ahead. When you smell something delicious, your brain signals the stomach to start its engines, setting off these waves even if there's no food to push yet. So that growl is just a matter of physics. It's the exact same digestion wave as before, but because the room is empty, the sound has nowhere to go but out. Let's take a break for a quick pop quiz. Question 1. What is the fun science word for a tummy rumble? Borbarigme. Question 2. Is a growl louder when the tummy is full of food or when it's empty? Empty because of the echo. Question 3. True or false? Only human tummies growl. False. Animals have borbarigme too. You aced it. Smash subscribe to join the lab crew for our next biological adventure. Those recurring waves are the body's way of sweeping out tiny leftovers and bacteria to keep the tubes clear and ready for your next meal. To recap, first, squeeze waves called peristalsis are how the body pushes food and air. Second, an empty tummy makes the sound echo because of the extra air and open space. And third, the science word for all that noise is borbarigme. A noisy tummy isn't a problem. It's the sign of a self-cleaning machine that's working exactly the way it should. Ask a grown-up to press their ear near your tummy to listen for those quiet, muffled squeeze waves in action. But what happens to all that trapped air once the squeeze waves push it to the very end of those curvy tubes? Why does that air eventually have to sneak out of the body as a toot? Tap the video on your screen right now to uncover the science of the toot.